I don't even have to tell you, right? Here. Paws up. Yes. Great. Good girl. Paws up. Yes. You are ready to go, aren't you, today? Good girl. Left. Paws up. Wait for her to settle a little bit. I'm going to bring it to her and wait again for her to settle. And then I'll reward. Good. See, we just let her settle down a little bit. We don't need any adversive or any stems or anything like that. Yes. Left. Yes. We're going to go this way. We're not going to name it at first because she seemed to get a little bit too much stimulus from that last time. We'll wait a little bit. Right, 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 yes. Right, right, yes. Right, right, loose. Yes. Pause up. Yes. Loose. Yes. Place. Good. Pause up. Yes. Loose. Yes. Pause up. Good. Loose. Yes. Pause up. Good. Pause up. Good. Loose. Yes. Pause up. Good girl. Loose. Yes. Pause up. Good. Pause up. Good girl. I want to see a little bit of impulse control before I reward this behavior. Yes. And I want to help to calm her down a little bit again. Front. Left. Yes. We're going to keep her just down for a few seconds. Help her just cool down a little bit. She's getting too worked up. Yes. Good. Good. Put down. Yes. Good. Pause up. Good. Good. Right. Yes. Right. Yes. Fuß. Fuß. Yes. Good. Pause up. Good girl. Gotta go pause up first. Good. Fuß. Yes. Pause up. Yes. Yes. Fuß. Almost. I'm going to work her better to a position. She was a little too far forward, didn't want to scoop back, so that's why I did that circle. Pause up. Yes. Pause up. Yes. Fuß. Yes. Beautiful. Pause up. Yes. Whoops, my butterfingers dropped it. They're getting slippery. On that dog slobber. Fuß. Yes. Remember, I don't have to rush to feed that reward. Sometimes when I get her in position, whoosh, and see the little mouthy on my hand, I'll wait after I had marked it. I should have marked yes already. Whoosh. Yes. Then I'll reward. If she's too mouthy, I'll wait a second. I want a little bit more calm, receive of the reward so my hand can hold out, right? Those teeth are sharp. Paws up. Yes. Left. Yes. Break. Yes. Boost. Yes. Good girl. Paws up. Yes. Now here's what she's been trying to do a lot during our class. Talk. Yes. Talk. Talk. Yes. I want more talk this time. I'm going to hold out. Talk. Talk. Yes. I'm going to wait a second for her to eat good before I talk. Yes. Good. Place. Yes. Paws up. Yes. Push. Yes. Push. Yes. I'll give her a second because I did drop some. Push. Yes. We'll try it with some more movement. There we go. Paws up. Yes. Front. Butts. Front. Butts. Yes. Butts. Yes. We're going to give her another second to cool down a little bit. She's getting pretty feisty. I can really feel it on my hand with it. Yes. Place. Yes. Good girl. Paws up. Yes. Much better. Please. Good. Seats. Right. All done. Seats. Smile for the camera, Echo.